This is a 2011 Cadillac CTS-V. It features a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a supercharger, a limited-slip differential, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, 19-inch wheels, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel controls, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, a traction control system, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Ritchie Cadillac Pontiac Buick is located at 901 North Nova Road in Daytona Beach. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.